I'm continuing.
Well, you've done 4 laps now, and you're on about 1 hour and 5 minutes, so you've got a little way to go.
Oh, God. All right, well, so be it. I'll continue.
Right. Peace out, man. Love you.
Peace out.
When I was a kid, I was a nerdy choir boy with a terrible haircut, but the voice of an angel. Yep, really, that's me. Every Christmas, we'd go around a local hospital and sing to kids who were just like us in every single way, except they might not live to even see Christmas Day. Now that shit stays with you. So I vowed that one day I would do something to raise money for that hospital and help them make life just that little bit more tolerable for the kids and their parents. That's why I'm doing this. Not beef with Cody Co, but because the metaverse is capable of so much more than just Zuckerberg memes. Someone just needs to prove it. Now you can donate via our Juicebox campaign if you're a crypto head.
Even better, the Phantom Foundation will match every dollar we raise up to $50,000, making the $100,000 goal well within reach.